I'm sure you've heard before that clearing your closet can shift a lot of things around in your life. In this video, you will discover the most effective way I have found as a professional personal stylist to clear your closet so that you don't waste time and get the best results. For the best personal brand, style, and fashion advice on how to look more sophisticated and project a professional and successful image so that you can gain instant credibility in front of potential clients or industry leaders, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Friday. So if you're ready to create a blank slate for clothes you love, save time, relieve stress caused by time and the extra clutter, gain clarity on how you want to be seen, define your personal brand style and wow factor, know exactly what you have and what to wear every single morning, and save money, watch this video and I will tell you the exact steps you need to take. First, gather every piece of clothing in the house and place them into categories. This will make the process much faster. Put the clothes belonging in a dresser on the floor or on the bed into the following categories and do the process in the following order. You're gonna start with tops, then bottoms, handbags, jewelry, miscellaneous, socks, and undergarments. The clothes belonging on a hanger in your closet can remain there. To make the process as effective as possible, divide your clothes into the following categories by order from your closet. Off-season clothes, then coats, dresses, jackets, pants, skirts, shirts, tops, gowns, shoes, and then belts. Then you want to sort each category by color from dark to light. It will not take you long to rearrange your closet once you have experienced this. You will not go back to a confused closet. Now it's time to divide your clothes into 6 different sections. You will start with the pile on the bed or the floor and go through every single item, and then you will place this item in one of those 6 piles. The yes pile, tailor, the no consignment, the no donation, the no trash, or the maybe pile. I will explain more details what they are. The yes pile is the clothes you love and want to keep. So you're gonna ask yourself, do I love this or does this piece bring me joy? Does it make me feel good and beautiful? Or does it fit my brand style vision? Does it fit the message I want to send or project the image I want? Does it really represent who I am, especially when it comes to my professional clothes? Does this garment look high-end or cheap? Or on the cheap side? Is it a polyester dress that retailed for less than $200 full price? Or is it a classic quality staple that is in good condition? Does the cut and style flatter my figure? I would recommend you don't keep clothes that are somewhat unflattering, especially if it comes to your professional or work clothes. And then you want to ask, does the color flatter me or wash me out? Do I wear this? As a rule of thumb, if you haven't worn the garment in more than a year or 2, you might want to ask yourself why that is and consider letting go of it. Keep clothes organized by category so it's faster to store them back where they belong. Once you're done with one category, go ahead and store it back where it belongs. For the hanging clothes, you can leave them in the closet in their newly categorized section. You also want to ask, is it age appropriate? This varies from person to person and is a matter of personal taste and brand style. If you think it might look too sexy, chances are it does. Is it current looking or outdated? There is nothing worse than looking outdated. This makes it look like your work might also be outdated, and no one wants to give that kind of impression. And yes, even classic blazers can be outdated. Look at the shoulders. Look to see the buttons. If more than 2 buttons going high up at the neckline they're all a sign that it's time to retire that classic investment. So if you're not sure whether something is outdated, pay attention to what is in the market right now. What kind of blazers are in the store, for example. And same goes for bootcut jeans. They're not in style right now. They most probably will be back, but they haven't been in a while. The tailor pile are clothes you really like, but don't fit perfectly or need repair. Put these in a different area of the room or in another room so you know where to find them when you're done clearing out and ready to take them. In this pile, you can also put garments you don't wear but could transform, such as hem a gown to make it a dress to wear on stage or on camera, or alter a dress into a tunic to wear with pants, for example. Or change the buttons of a jacket to make it just, more fun, like change the color of the buttons. Or you can take sleeves off of a long jacket or a blazer to create like a vest and pair it with a dress or pants to create like a more stylish outfit. You could wear a dress you love under a skirt or transform the dress into a top by altering the bottom out. And this way your dress is now transformed into a top and you just create a whole new garment from a dress you already own. So just look at your closet and see what you can do with your clothes. The no pile is the clothes that you do not bring you joy or make you happy. The clothes that did not pass the yes test above, in other words. So let go of them as they're just mucking up the energy and they're affecting your life on a subconscious level. And divide the no's in 3 different piles. So the first one is the consignment pile, and that's for the clothes and accessories that are in really good conditions. They're relatively high-end or designer, and they're up to date and on trend. And then the donation pile is for clothes that are either outdated, lower end, or in poor condition. If you prefer to save time and help charities, you can donate your consignment-worthy clothes. Even better. Put all the no's in one single pile except for the trash pile, which is, for clothes with holes that are damaged or tired looking. I would throw them away, or sometimes I even reuse old clothes as rags. Then we have the maybe pile, and it's for clothes you're not 100% sure you should get rid of. This could be because of the high quality of the item, the color, you wore it recently maybe, so you're not sure if it's safe to let it go. You like it, but don't wear it, or it doesn't match your vision. And it could be for many different reasons. You can create a big maybe pile on your bed or on the floor. For clothes in your closet, you can leave the maybes hanging next to the yes clothes and put a tag on them if need be that says maybe. If you really like something in your closet but have a hard time figuring out what to wear with like, a maxi skirt, for example, I have a pretty awesome style trick for you. You can go on Pinterest and do a search with, the word maxi skirt outfit to see how someone else styled it. I always get a wealth of ideas this way, and you might be able to keep the garment if you find the perfect way to wear it. If you're doing this process on your own, a good rule of thumb is to let go of any maybe items that are lower in quality. Keep classic and high quality items, which could be that it has a nice fabric or it's an expensive designer item. Unless it's been 2 years or more since you wore them. If this is the case, then you really need to ask yourself some more questions. When you come across something hard to let go, is it an emotional tie to the past or a fear of lacking something in the future, or maybe a combination of both? If yes, then you know that you should probably let it go, as it's mucking the energy to open space for new and better things in your life. And the same principle goes for emotionally charged items. If you have some of your mom's old clothes or jewelry, but you don't necessarily like or wear them, they're not doing you any favor by sitting in your closet and cluttering the energy. In this case, I would keep 2 or 3 of the most important items and discard the rest. You can always take pictures of each item if you want to look at them later. If the discarded items have monetary value, consider selling them. someone else will love and appreciate them. Remember that what goes around comes around. Nothing is ever lost, and whatever you send out will come back to you, usually exponentially and better. So giving your unwanted belongings to someone who will appreciate them can only reap benefits and good karma. So, happy cleanup success tips for you. Drink plenty of water, as clearing the old to make space for the new is demanding energetically, which means that you shouldn't drink any alcohol, as we want your head to be completely clear. Also, make sure you will not get interrupted by kids or family members that might need your attention. Set aside a full morning or afternoon to do this. This is a huge task and tiring, as it will shift a lot of things and energy in your life. Play some good tunes, and don't forget to make it fun with, your favorite music. And comment below on what tips I just shared were the most useful for you to let go of the old and clear your closet. You just learned the exact steps you need to take to clear your closet, which will in turn clarify how you want to be seen and the personal image you want to project. To clarify and develop your personal brand style even more, you can take this quick personal brand style assessment that I created. So the link is right below. And in it, you will learn what personal brand style you are, what inspires your brand, and specific stores that you should start paying attention to. You can also check my video on how to look put together all the time to get more styling tricks on how to look polished and sophisticated and, just look more successful. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below. Subscribe and share with your fellow ladies. I will see you next time. Au revoir.